Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add multiple accounts on TikTok. For that, simply go ahead, open up your TikTok app. And then simply go ahead, tap on this profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now you will see this kind of interface, and go ahead, tap on this three horizontal line on top right corner and tap on settings and privacy. Tap on switch account and tap on add account. Add in the information like number and password, or you can tap on with continue with Google, Apple, Facebook, email, whatever your account is connected with. Once you done that, you will get logged in, and later on, as you can see in switch account, you will find another account likewise. And if you want to add more account, again you're going to go ahead, tap on the add account, add in the login details, and the account will be there. Next time you need to switch, all you need to do is tap on this switch account, your account will be listed there. Go ahead, tap on it, and you're good to go. That's all it takes. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.